Oppo Find X7 Ultra just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate, brightest LTPO supported OLED display, 50 megapixel dual camera setup with dual periscope camera, flagship processor, fast wired and wireless charging, and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, a flagship camera-centric phone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Let's open the box of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. This is 16GB RAM, 512GB storage variant. Inside there is a cardboard box. In it, you will find a protective case, a user manual, a tool to eject the SIM card, and a 100-watt power adapter with a Type A output. Also, there is a Type C to Type A data cable. Removing the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about the design and build, with the most prominent feature being the raised camera module. The phone has two periscope camera, making the camera part thicker. Because of this, the phone measures about 14.68mm in the thickness, which is a quite bit thicker. It weighs 221 grams, just a slight heavier than the last model by about 5 grams. However, when you hold it, it feels noticeably heavier. Holding the phone is comfortable because your index finger naturally rests near the camera module, making it easy to hold. Holding the phone with one hand giving you a good grip. This time, the phone comes in a 3 color: Desert Silver Moon, the Sea and the Sky, and the Pine Shadow Inkjet. They all have a smooth leather material. Which color do you like? Now let's talk about the camera on the phone. It has a 4 camera on the back and they all 50 megapixel each. The main camera uses a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 900 sensor. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra has a big one each main sensor. A 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 is the second camera and the periscope telephoto lens with 1x1.56 inch sensor. There is another 50 megapixel periscope lens using the Sony IMX858 sensor, and the last one is the 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 ultra wide sensor. This time Oppo added a hazel blade color calibration, so expect amazing photos from this phone. You can check out the sample photos here. This phone is the first in the world that can record the Dolby Vision video in 4K 60 fps. It can also record HDR videos in 4K at 30 frames per second and has a fantastic video stabilization. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra has a powerful display, a 6.82-inch OLED screen with a 2K resolution. The screen can reach a maximum manual brightness of 837 nits and it comes with a Pro HDR features for the exceptional display experience. Night photos might appear a bit sharp and you can see the color range on the display, which covers the 96.8% of the DCI P3 color gamut. The screen shows the color like those in the photo frame. Talking about the performance, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor, has a LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for the smooth and fantastic performance. Other than that, the phone comes with the 5000 mAh battery and supports super fast charging at 100 watt with wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. It takes about 26 minutes to fully charge the battery from 0 to 100% using the wired charger. This phone is heavily focused on the camera, especially with its dual periscope camera for fantastic zoom shots. It also uses the Hasselblad's color science and AI algorithm for better image quality. When it comes to the price of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, the base model starts at around 5,999 Chinese yuan in China, which converts about 662 UK pound. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb display with LTPO support, great performance, top-notch camera, but bit heavy. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any question. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.